How to disable dial pad sound on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. Dial in some digits to see if there is any sound. To disable the dial pad sound, simply open up the Settings application. Scroll down to find and tap on the Sounds and Haptics option. Now, turn down the volume under ringtone and alerts, just as shown. The dial pad sounds are considered a system alert tied to your ringer. This means they will only be audible when your phone is in ringer mode and will be silent when it's in silent mode. Now, when you open the phone app and use the keypad, the buttons you press will be completely silent. To hear the tones again, you must flip the switch back up into ringer mode. Following these steps, you can easily turn on game mode on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.